Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. On my right hand, this is our new products, and this is a cooking pot. And you can put the soups and any fruits, and just cooking using this one. So let me give the overall dimensions. The entire length of the unit is about 28 and 3/4 inches. And the overall height is about 27.5 inches tall. So as we can see, the unit is coming with the handlebars. So it actually comes with 4 different angles. It's mounted on the units. So they made it by all stainless steels. And also the top lids, they have a handle in the center too. And when you open the lids, it's a kind of a bit of weight. And this one made by stainless steel too. And the inner side is all polished, the stainless steel is the inner side, so easy for you to clean it. And after you finish your cooking your food and pull it out, the handlebars is really helpful. And this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.